What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jackson. Take a look at our friend Gala. We're seeing a nice impulse to the upside. Seeing at 0.0176 up 2.25 on the day. Market cap 796 million. 24 volume 154 million. So if we hop into the chart, nice wave one to the upside, wave two pullback. Oh, let me quickly adjust that here. Wave three, as you can see, within the wave three, you have, move this over, come on, bro. You have a 1, 2, and then you pushed up in a 3, 4, 5. So the three definitely, the top of the three could be in. There is bearish divergence on the RSI, as well as the money flow, higher high, price action, lower high, lower high. So if we do pull back from here, we look for a bounce in between 0.017 and 0.01569. But as of right now, it is looking very impulsive, which is great to see, as the low may be finally in for our friend Gala. And of course, we have our double bottom, and that could take the price all the way up. If we come up and break the neckline, take you all the way up towards 0.04888. Let me just quickly put a price tag. And the daily EMAs, we're about to print the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55, which is exactly what we want to see for an impulse back to the upside. So look for a pullback in the short term into the zone, or we push a little bit higher and then pull back and then bounce up in a wave 5. The bearish level is 0.01569. We're currently in trades for Giga, which is in profit, as well as Ethereum, which already hit our TP1. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to BITUNIX, no strings attached. This is one of the top exchanges for trading and investing. Once you've signed up, send me an email at the email in the bottom of the screen, and I will send you the link, which includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite coins, including Gala, my exact trade setups when I trade for Giga and Ethereum, what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits, 3,000 members almost, talking all things crypto, my crypto Discord, yours free with a sign up to BITUNIX, no strings attached. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.